Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for joining me. Line dancing is so good for us, for our bodies, our spirit, our souls, and our brain. So we're going to learn Ghost Town Dancer today. Really beautiful. 32 count, 4 wall, 1 restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. Here we go, 32 counts. So we start with a slide right with a rock recover. So slide, rock back, recover with the left. Now slide left and rock back with the right, recover. And the counts go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can take 2 counts to slide. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. First 8, second 8. We do lock steps going forward but with a little different beat. It's kind of a syncopated beat. So our second 8 is starting with the right foot, step, lock with the left, step, left, lock with the right, step. So it's step, lock, step, step, lock, step. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So the full 8 counts go like this. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, right, pivot, half. Good. So let's go over that one more time and then with counts. With words, second 8. Starting with the right foot. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, pivot, half. Good. Counts. Second 8. With the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Moving on. So we're here. We're now facing the 6 o'clock wall. And we're going to step with the right forward, hold a count, and do a 3/4 turn over our right shoulder. So we just did our pivot and step, hold, step, turn. 3/4 turn over our right shoulder. And I use my arms. You don't have to. It just helps me stay balanced. And I grew up turning like that. So we just did our pivot, half pivot. Then we step with the right foot and hold 1 count, and then do a 2-step turn over our right shoulder to get to that wall, our 3/4. So left, right. Good. Then we do left, hold, and we do a half turn over our left shoulder. 2-step turn. Step, step. Yes? Okay. So we just did our pivot turn. We do step, hold, turn 3/4, step, hold, turn half. Good. That's the third 8. The counts, because you hold 2 counts in that, third 8. So it's 1, hold, 2, turn 3, 4, 5, hold 6, turn 7, 8. Good. And again, you don't have to use the arm. So it could be 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, I even lost my balance a little bit. So 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. Don't have to use your arms. Just let me, because it helps me stay balanced. Okay, last 8. We're now facing our new wall, which is our 9 o'clock wall, or our second wall. And we just do a cross, step, step, cross, step, touch. Rock, step, step, rock, step, touch, step, touch. That's it. That's the last 8 is a cross, step, step, cross, step, touch, step, touch. And the counts, and it starts with the right foot, are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Okay, let's put it all together from the top. Starting with our slide, rock back. With words first. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, rock and slide, rock and step, lock, step, step, lock, step, half turn, hold, 3/4 hold, half turn, cross, step, step, cross, step, touch, step, touch. Good. With counts from the top. All 32 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. There is one restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. So wall 5 is merely the second time you come to your home wall, your 12 o'clock wall. So it looks like this for 16 counts. We'll end up there. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart now. Good, huh? Okay, that's it. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Keep dancing.